Now that we've got your mini chat account linked to your Facebook church page, we're going to show you how to import the Chatbot into the drag and drop builder so you can start using it immediately for your church. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to this site right here. I used a link shortener to make it easier. It's goo.gl/9tmp12. So let's go ahead and go to that link right now. It's going to take us to the welcome message flow. So this is the first flow that you're going to install, and there will be more templates available for later release. But this is your basic flow right here, and it's your welcome message as soon as somebody interacts with your bot, and it'll have all the basic information that you need in order to get someone hooked up with your church and all the necessary information. So if you want to preview it, go ahead and click this preview, and what it's going to do is it's going to show you exactly how it will look like inside of Messenger. So you can test this on your mobile phone or desktop, and it looks great on both. So what we're going to do now is we're going to save it to MiniChat. And then when we do that, we go to saving it to our church page right here. We're going to hit Save Flow. And then it's complete. So now we get to view the flow. All right, perfect. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go through and we're going to edit and personalize everything that this flow needs. So if you want to preview it, you can just go up here and click preview. And what that's going to do is it's going to allow, it says you need to opt into preview content. So we're going to do that. We're going to continue. And it says preview message sent. And this is how you also test it before it goes live as well. So it sends that notification, and it will also send the notification via your phone as well. So that's a beautiful thing about MiniChat that you'll really enjoy, is that when your church sends a message, it's sending a broadcast to the people that it wants to target. So whether that be, let's say, a segment of volunteers, whether it be people who are planning their visit, newcomers, it could be people who are on a growth track or a Bible plan in a Sunday school course for small group study. The possibilities are really to your imagination how you want to use this tool. So now that we have a message that actually came through, we'll go ahead and look at it. So it says, thanks for connecting with Community Church. How can we help you today? We've got a visitor experience here. We've got an events calendar, what's going on at the church, pastoral staff, who we are, and more about the media. Alright, so now we have the welcome flow template installed on your Facebook page. Now we're going to customize it and be able to turn it on in the next video.